Welcome back to Cooking Everything in the official Fallout Cookbook. Today we're making rolled Deathclaw egg omelet. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. You're going to start this recipe off with prep. You're just going to, for now, finely chop half a cup of ham. Now in a medium large bowl, you're going to combine half a cup of heavy cream with a quarter cup cream cheese at room temperature, and you're going to mix that together until all combined, and then you're going to add your 6 eggs. And you're going to whisk that until it's fluffy, which is just it's going to be really airy. It's not actually going to be fluffy. It's just going to be really airy. At least I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be. Once your egg mixture is all nice and fluffy, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced chives, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a quarter teaspoon of paprika, and your chopped ham. Once everything's mixed together, you're going to grab a 10 by 15 baking pan, and you're going to line it with parchment paper and spray the parchment paper with non-stick spray. You're going to put your egg in it and put in the oven at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes until the egg is set, and then you allow it to cool. Now for the slaw. You're going to want to julienne 2 cups of carrots, peel and julienne. Julienne is cutting them to matchstick size. And then you're also going to shred a cup of apple, which I just grabbed a small-ish apple, an apple that looked like about the size of a cup, and then just shredded it. Though fair warning, it will go brown. There is no avoiding it. As soon as I finished shredding the apple, it was already starting to go brown. So, alright, now in a large bowl, you're going to combine quarter cup mayonnaise, a quarter cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of celery salt, and then mix that together, and then add in your carrots and apples. Once your thing is cooled, I would pull it out of I had it still in the dish. I'd actually move it to a cutting board because the bottom is still a little hot. You're going to add on your slaw. Do not make my mistake. Do not just scrape the slaw out of the bowl. Actually scoop it out of the bowl. Avoid as much liquid in the bottom of the bowl as possible. It will make your egg fall apart, and it will affect the texture pretty drastically. Once it's all out and you've had your slaw on top, you're going to pretty tightly roll it up and then wrap it in saran wrap and put it in the fridge for an hour. Once it's done in the fridge, you're going to put it on a cutting board and you're going to cut it up into 12 pieces. Yeah. This was good. The texture was not great though because of the slaw juice. You definitely want to get as little juice or dressing on the egg as possible. My egg also did very evidently fall apart. I am still not certain how you're supposed to cut this without it breaking, because you can't really saw it because it'll break, and you can't just chop it down because it would also break. So it still tasted good though. 8 out of 10. It's still pretty good. Texture is a little strange, but I would eat it again. Yeah.